What if the language you choose to build your iOS app could mean the difference between a stable, scalable product or a future filled with bugs and tech debt? In 2025, the battle still rages on. Swift versus Objective C. One is modern and future-ready. The other, a veteran with unmatched legacy. But which one truly builds better iOS apps today? But before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Today, we'll compare Swift and Objective C across performance, syntax, developer productivity, and future readiness to help you make the right decision for your next iOS project. We'll also look at hybrid projects, real-world use cases, and when, yes, when, you should still choose Objective C. Objective C has powered iOS and macOS since the 80s. From Next to the iPhone, it laid the foundation for Apple's software ecosystem. But then came Swift, launched in 2014 as a modern, safe, and fast replacement. Since then, it's become Apple's preferred language for new development. Let's talk syntax. Swift is clean, readable, and concise. No header files. Strong type inference, less boilerplate. Objective C, verbose, C-like. Uses header and implementation files. Square brackets for method calls. Here's an example. Objective C, string name, worker world. Swift, let name arrays world. Now imagine writing 1,000 lines of this every day. Swift was built for performance. Using the LLVM compiler, Swift often executes faster and uses less memory than Objective C. Swift relies on static dispatch, while Objective C uses dynamic dispatch, more flexible but slower. Swift also promotes value types, which help optimize memory usage. Swift was designed to prevent bugs before they happen. With optionals, type safety, and structured error handling, Swift drastically reduces crashes from null pointers or memory leaks. The result? More stable, secure apps. Objective C lacks these guardrails. And while ARC helps manage memory, it's easier to make mistakes, especially with manual memory code. Less code means faster shipping. Swift's syntax eliminates boilerplate, and tools like Playgrounds and SwiftUI speed up prototyping. Objective C, more typing, more files, and more time spent debugging minor syntax quirks. If you're starting a new app in 2025, Swift will likely save you hours, or days, in development time. Objective C's community is seasoned but shrinking. Swift's community? Exploding. With Apple backing, open source contributions, and fresh tutorials dropping every month, Swift is where the iOS dev energy is. On Stack Overflow and GitHub, Swift dominates in activity, libraries, and resources. But what if your app's already in Objective C? No problem. Swift is interoperable. You can call Objective C code from Swift and vice versa. Use bridging headers, and you can modernize gradually. This means new features in Swift, legacy code in Objective C, no full rewrite needed. Here's what Apple's roadmap tells us. SwiftUI is Swift exclusive. Apple's API docs are Swift first. And every WWDC since 2020, Swift is center stage. Objective C isn't dead, but Swift is the future. It's getting faster, safer, more scalable, and it's what Apple is betting on. So, is there still a place for Objective C? Yes, if you're maintaining an old codebase, working with C, C++ libraries, or in a legacy enterprise app, Objective C remains essential. But for 99% of new iOS projects, Swift is your best bet. If you want speed, stability, cleaner code, and the latest Apple features, Swift is the clear winner in 2025. Swift isn't just better, it's designed to make you a better developer. Objective C will always be respected, but the future of iOS? It's Swift. Which one are you using in your next app, Swift or Objective C? Let us know in the comments below. If you're building an iOS app and want expert help choosing the right stack, reach out to us at Stallions Technologies. We've built apps in both, and we know what works in 2025. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Stallions Technologies for more insights into the world of tech.